In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Paint Bucket tool in Photoshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how simple it is to fill areas with color, and I'll also share a few helpful tips along the way so you can get better, more predictable results. To make everything easy to understand, I already have an example image open, and we'll use that to see exactly how the tool behaves in real time. The first thing you need to do is select the Paint Bucket tool. The quickest way is to press G on your keyboard. In some cases, Photoshop may show the gradient tool instead, since these tools are grouped together. If that happens, just click and hold on the tool icon in the toolbar, then choose the Paint Bucket tool from the flyout menu. Once you've selected the correct tool, you're ready to begin. Before you start filling anything, take a moment to choose a foreground color. You can do that by clicking the color swatch near the bottom of the toolbar. This opens the color picker, where you can select any color you want. Don't worry too much about choosing the perfect shade right away, because you can always come back and change it later if you want to test a different look. Once your color is selected, click on the area you want to fill. Photoshop will instantly apply that color to the area based on the pixels in that part of the image and the current tool settings. This makes the Paint Bucket tool a fast and convenient option for recoloring shapes, graphics, icons, and other simple artwork. Now, as I click on different areas in the image, you can see that the results may vary depending on what Photoshop detects in each section. If the fill doesn't look the way you expected, that's completely normal. In many cases, it comes down to settings like tolerance or contiguous. These options affect how Photoshop decides which pixels should be included in the fill, so small adjustments can make a big difference depending on the image you're working with. A good habit is to spend a little time experimenting. Try different colors, click in different sections, and observe how the settings change the outcome. The more you practice, the more intuitive the Paint Bucket tool becomes, especially when working with images that have edges, shading, or multiple color areas. And that's it. You now know how to use the Paint Bucket tool in Photoshop, and you can use it to quickly fill objects with color and make your editing or design workflow much faster.